Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to play mobile games in our PC or laptop. So we will play small games like Garena Free Fire, Call of Duty, and War Robots in a um, mobile. So today I will teach you how to play mobile games on PC. Let's start. The first time is I will give you and open any browser. I will give you the BlueStacks link in the description and but type BlueStacks and go to the BlueStacks website. Click here, try BlueStacks 5 beta version and save the file wherever you want and run the setup file. So guys, after opening the BlueStack, you can see this screen. Now go to the Play Store, click and sign in your Google account. I have already signed in my Google account. So after that, now I want to play War Robots. And today I'm also going to tell the controls of all the War Robots. So open it. So guys, the battle is begun. So for moving forward, you have to use W. If you have to move right, press D. If you want to move left, press A. If you want to move back, press S. So if you want to jump, click space. If you want to shoot, click left button. And, and that's it, the controls. So let's move to the gameplay. Mhm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're flying. Flying. Move. Jump. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Let's kill them. Kill them. Oh my god. Anyone stole my kill. Oh my god. I'm in open again. Oh my god, I didn't realize I was out of ammo. Okay, don't fear. I have the big guy now. Come on. Come on. And the man is over there. I am killing him. Oh, he just gone. Let's move. Oh my god, very slow. I cannot handle it. It's very slow. It is taking very time. Oh my god. I was I am finally down. So there's a robot. Let's kill the robot. No. There's a robot over there. I missed that robot and I can see the robot. Oh my god. I am stuck here. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No. Now I'm stuck. Oh my. My weapons can't go up. Man. Oh my. More. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. And one more man stole my heal. Oh my. I'm just killing him. I am trying to take victory, guys. Don't tell me I do I I cannot play. I I don't know how to play. Don't tell me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Everyone are stealing. What? Everyone want. Oh my god, legs damage. Oh my god. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Bye.